Hey guys, so you might have seen a video we made recently of a pedestrian bridge similar to this one that had been boarded up and scaffolded up similar to this so it could be repaired. So one of our patrons actually asked when it was finished if we could show you what the end result was. So this one is another one in the series. They're doing a bunch of them all at once, so you can see they've taken the scaffold off there. So this is one that hasn't been done yet. Thought we'd show you this first. Obviously the whole structure's metal and then it's coated. That green stuff is sort of like a non-slip paint, but you can see the rust. Pretty severe. That strip up the centre there so people can wheel their bicycles up and down, or baby strollers or whatever else might have wheels. So yeah, pretty rusty. That's what they all looked like. And then they came along and they renovated all of them. And this is the end result. Took them a while, took a few months of being totally covered up and couldn't use them. And that was the end result. So they've done a pretty good job. Fixed all the rust. Painted everything. That green non-slip paint. That's much better, isn't it? So these are essential. There's busy road there. So particularly for kids coming and going from school, these things are essential really for safety. Anyway, there it was. You asked for it, there it was. More videos coming soon.